Versatile nature of carbon. Organic compounds are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and a few other elements. The unique nature of the carbon atom and the arrangement of the bond carbon forms with other atoms enable formation of organic compounds. Tetravalency. Carbon is tetravalent in nature. It always forms covalent bonds by sharing electrons with 1, 2, 3 or 4 carbon atoms or atoms of other elements or groups of atoms. Strong carbon-carbon covalent bonds. Carbon atoms form a strong bond resulting in the formation of stable compounds. Carbon atoms can also form stable bonds with other atoms. Carbon-carbon multiple bonds. A carbon atom can also form multiple bonds as it is small in size. Double and triple bonds can also be formed with not only carbon, but with atoms of other elements like oxygen, nitrogen, and so on. These multiple bonds provide a variety in the carbon compounds.